good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Lens, of course, with Google. Okay, as you can see, I already have Google fired up. And if you're seeing my end right now, I'm using PC and a Windows OS. If you're using a MacBook or a Mac computer, please stay on the video because literally they're the same process. You can also use this via phone, tablet, laptop. Literally every gadget or devices have the same process, okay? And if you're using Google Chrome, of course, please make sure you're logged in on your account, you're signed in, your Gmail, okay? That being said, let's straight to it. Okay, let me just search, for example, this motorcycle right here. Go to images, okay? Now, you can search anything you want, of course, not just this specific motorcycle. For example, you have any images, anything you want, and then just with this one, simply click right click. And as you can see, hover down to the choices and you'll see search image with Google. If you click on that one specifically, or automatically rather, Google Lens will be activated, and then the result should be on the bottom right. Now let's just say you're not in Google. Let's say, for example, you're in Instagram, right? Let's say you're in Instagram, then click on discover right there. I think this will not work just yet. Let me try it out, because these are videos technically. Now let's go Pinterest. We need to have photos with this one, okay? Now with this, let's just try with this one. And then again, search image with Google. And with that, simply, you can have your result, okay? That being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.